Do you understand English, but freeze when it's time to speak? Don't worry. Starting today, we're going to change that. Welcome to day one of your 30-day English speaking challenge. Let's begin. Hello, everyone. I'm so happy you're here today. My name is Emma, and I'll be your English teacher. For the next 30 days, we'll practice English together. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about making mistakes. Just listen, repeat, and enjoy the learning process. Are you ready? Let's start.
Hello, teacher. My name is Alex. I'm excited to learn English, but honestly, I'm a little nervous. Sometimes I understand English, but I can't speak confidently. I hope I improve during this challenge.
Great. Let's begin with some easy greetings. Repeat after me. Hello, good morning. How are you today?
Hello, good morning. I'm doing well. Thank you. How are you?
Excellent. Now let's have a short conversation. What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Wonderful. You're already speaking English. Keep going. Thank you so much for watching today's lesson. I hope you learned something new from this conversation and feel more confident about speaking English. If you enjoyed this video, please take a moment to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us create more free English lessons for everyone. And don't forget to follow learningsphereworld for more exciting English speaking lessons. If you want to see part 2 of this series, make sure to share this video as much as possible. The more love and support this video receives, the sooner we'll bring you the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and remember, every great English speaker was once a beginner.